This side should be face outside the door. This head face inside door. You can switch the left-right direction of the handle. Find the screwdriver to take down the screw inside in the middle of the handle. Now you take down the handle, and then you can decide left direction or right direction. After you decide, install back the screw. And then silicone paint. Before installation, I'll teach you how to set the password of the lock. Look at the back side of the front handle. Here's the small point on the back side.
Look at number 5. The point is facing it.
I rotate, I press it, and rotate it. Now, the point is facing the number 6. If I change another point, for example, this point is 7. Now the password is 7. Let's set 8. So the password is 678. And let's set 9. So now the password is 6789. C means clear. Let's press clear first before input the password. 6789, and then you can unlock it. Now let's install the lock on the door. This pen is to prevent the water to go inside the door. One more important thing. Open the part. You must use the part we give you. You can't use the part from outside, from others. This head should be inserted inside the lock body. Another head also insert inside lock body. But when you try to install the lock, you can find the spindle is too long. You can't put it on the surface of the door, so you need to cut it shorter. And now I'm going to cut it shorter. Later I show you the video. Now the spindle already cut shorter. Let's install it. This head should insert inside lock body. Now install the spring. The small head spring insert into it. This spring. Now install the front side. Now it's perfectly on the surface. Install this side. Install the inside pin. Okay. Now install the screw. The screw is too long. We need to make it shorter. We can cut the screw shorter. Screw. Find the plier. Cut it shorter. Okay, now the lock is installed successfully. Let's test the password. Unlock. Pull up to lock. Inside you can press to open and pull up to lock it up.